When it comes to choosing a monitor for serious work, there's a big difference between something that looks good on paper and something that actually improves your day-to-day workflow. This 32-inch 4K display falls into the second category. It's clearly built for people who rely on accuracy, consistency, and a distraction-free experience. The size alone already changes how you work. A 32-inch panel gives you enough room to spread out multiple windows, timelines, and tools without constantly switching tabs. Combine that with 4K resolution, and everything becomes incredibly detailed. Text appears sharp, images carry more depth, and editing becomes more precise. It's the kind of upgrade that feels subtle at first, but once you adjust to it, it becomes essential. Where this monitor really separates itself is color performance. It supports 99% of both sRGB and Rec. 709, which are key color standards for digital content. That means what you see while editing is much closer to the final result your audience will see. There's no need to second-guess tones or saturation levels. Out of the box, it's already factory calibrated, and with a delta E value kept under 3, the accuracy is reliable enough for professional use. An underrated but powerful feature here is ICC sync. This helps maintain consistent color profiles when switching between devices or modes. Especially in setups involving Mac systems, it automatically aligns display settings without requiring manual adjustments. It's one of those background features that quietly saves time and prevents errors. The IPS panel ensures stable visuals from different viewing angles. Whether you're sitting directly in front or slightly off to the side, colors remain consistent without fading or shifting. On top of that, uniformity across the screen is well controlled, so brightness and color don't vary from one area to another. This creates a more balanced and comfortable viewing experience during long sessions. The overall design sticks to a professional and minimal look. It doesn't try to stand out with flashy elements, which actually works in its favor. The stand is sturdy and offers full ergonomic flexibility. Adjusting height, tilting the screen, rotating it, or even switching to vertical mode is smooth and easy. This adaptability makes it suitable for different workflows, whether it's editing, coding, or reading long documents. Connectivity is another strong advantage. The inclusion of USB-C with 90 watts of power delivery simplifies everything. A single cable can handle video output, data transfer, and laptop charging at the same time. This is especially useful for modern laptop users who want a cleaner and more organized desk setup. The built-in USB hub also adds convenience by allowing direct connection for accessories like keyboards, mice, or storage devices. Then there's the hotkey puck, which adds a layer of control that many monitors lack. Instead of navigating through on-screen menus, it gives quick access to key settings and color modes. Once integrated into your workflow, it becomes a small but impactful tool that speeds up everyday tasks. It's important to note that this display isn't aimed at gaming. There are no high refresh rates or gaming-specific enhancements here. Instead, the focus is entirely on delivering a dependable and accurate visual experience for professional use. For creators, designers, editors, or anyone who spends hours working with visuals, this monitor fits naturally into that environment. It prioritizes the things that matter most, like color precision, clarity, and usability, rather than unnecessary extras. In the end, this is a monitor that focuses on getting the fundamentals right. It delivers a clean experience, strong performance, and features that genuinely support productivity. If the goal is to upgrade your workspace with something reliable and purpose-built, this is definitely worth considering. If you're interested in getting one for your setup, you can find more details and pricing through the link in the description.